called out, "Don't go too far." One slid away on a shooting star. Four little elves, oh, where did they go? Dancing around in the frosty snow. Santa said, "Stay where I can see," but one disappeared behind a tree. Three little elves in a jolly race, spinning and twirling all over the place. One tumbled down with a giggling sound and rolled away to the snowy ground. Two little elves, oh, where did they go? Hiding away in the icy glow. Santa said, "Come back, let's be a team," but one slid away on a moonbeam. One little elf, all alone and small, whistling a tune in the workshop hall. Santa said, "Let's find your crew." He rang a bell and back they flew. Five little elves, all safe and near, laughing and singing holiday cheer. Santa said, "Let's make toys tonight," and they worked away till the morning light.